In this video, I will show you how to connect your Android application to your LiveView application using the LiveView Native Client Jetpack library. The first thing that you need is in Android Studio, create a new Android project, select the Empty Activity option, click Next, then type your application name, let's say My LiveView App. Click in Finish. A new project is created in Android Studio, and at the moment, the LiveView Native Client library is hosted in the Jetpack repository. So the first thing that we need is add this repository in the settings.gradle KTS file. Here in the repository section, we are going to add this entry. As you can see, we are using the jetpack.io URL. The second thing is add the dependency of the library. As you can see, we have two build.gradle files here. The first one is the project, and the second one is for the module, the app module. So we are going to add this in this file. Here in the dependency section, we are going to add this dependency here. As you can see, con.github LiveView Native, LiveView Client Jetpack. Here we are using the latest version available on the Jetpack, but be aware that this version convention will change in the future. So take a look into the repository to check the latest version. And after that, click in Sync in order to download the dependency. And the next step is configure the network configuration of your application. Android requires that any application that accesses network to have this configuration. So here in the resource folder, in the XML folder, we are going to create a new file. Let's name this file as network_config.xml. It must be this name, but it's a convention. We are going to use this configuration here, network security config. Here we are saying that we are allowing the clear text traffic permitted, which means that our application is allowed to access HTTP application, doesn't need to be HTTPS application. And since we are going to test in the emulator first, in order to the emulator access your local machine, the emulator uses this IP to access your local machine. So it's required to be 10.0.2.2. Okay. After that, in the manifest file, we need to refer to this file. So in the Android manifest.xml, you need to set up the secure config and pointing to the XML network config. Finally, we can access your our LiveView application from the main activity file. Here in the main activity file, by default the wizard creates this code, but we can get rid of these functions, and also from this My LiveView app team, and just keep this set content. So inside of this set content block, we are going to use our LiveView function. So we need to import. So here's just option return to import. It's going to add the LiveView function here. We can remove these imports as well. And here I'm pointing to this address, as you can see, 10.0.2.2. And this is the current endpoint that I'm using. If we press the run button, we should be able to see our application running. By the way, this is the application, the code of the application that is currently running. It's just a simple application which has a scaffold, and the scaffold has a column which display the content vertically, and I just have this hello world LVN Jetpack. Here we have this running devices. So this is the emulator in this tab, and probably we will see our application running in a few seconds. So here it is, hello world LVN Jetpack. The live reload should be working. So if I put some exclamations here and press save, it's updated here. Okay, so that's it. In the simple steps, we can have our LiveView client Jetpack application running.